Evening. First thing we're going to do is look at the remainder of the EOS. An R32 video. But we'll have a look at the EOS. Oh, look at those seats. Follow me around to the Sprinter. There's the EOS. No engine. No front suspension assembly, no interior. No wheels. Downpipes off. I'll show you that very quickly. There it is. 95% of a TFSI conversion kit there, or maybe a caddy or whatever. These struts came off the EOS, and if you bear with me I'll show you why I'm going to fit these over the R32 ones. This is one I've just removed off the R32. That is compressed all the way down. I haven't got any weight on the top of it, I'm just supporting it. And it's not coming back up. So that's shit. And this is one removed off the EOS earlier today. So I can press this all the way down, no weight on it again. It's coming back up. See? So although they might not be weight rated for the R32, they're going on the R32 anyway. With all this, front, rear shocks, wheel bearings, better condition hubs, not as rusty, 2 ball joints on the bottom of the hubs. I've got a brand new one over there. That's a probably £400 saving on components from the EOS. If I can get 700 or 800 quid for the engine conversion kit for a caddy, 100 quid for the seats, 150 for these wheels which came off the EOS. But it's actually probably worked out a lot better for me. Probably 500 quid ish in profit. There's some brake upgrades for it and Highline clocks I bought for it. There's probably 500 quid's worth of upgrades there. I might have made 200 or 300 quid if I'd have got it tested and whatever after I put tyres on, and do you know what I mean? So it's probably worked out better and I'm almost grateful for it. But a day up here getting bloody filthy, sweaty, stinking, removing an engine on my own, then dragging it onto the truck on my own, not fun. So anyway, we'll get into the R32, shall we? Here's what the R32 rear end currently looks like. I'll try and be as steady with the camera as I can. Drive shaft bolt out. Brake rear caliper was already off. The trouble I was having with the rear is I couldn't get the carrier off, so I couldn't change the disc, do you remember? And I'll show you that now. All that's come off. They're all 21, 18, 16 mil sockets, or bolt heads. It was these 2 bolts, this one and this one. This one's come out, but the little spline bit's now stuck in. So I've got to get that out. I'll get that out, and then I'll get Big Lad on this one. See if he'll knock it out without actually heating it up first. See you in a second. I got the bit out. Give her a little tap. Now, see what Big Lad can do with it. Straight away. Now I've got to put you down. I'll put you up here, up hither. Sorry about the bit of toolbox there. There we go. That's that off. Carriers off. Bloody disc. Disc's held in with. I put a wheel bolt back in. I just get a 17. There's a 17. Get that off, and then disc is off. Just giving it a bit of a wire wheel just to get rid of any drastic bits of shit or flakiness. And fucking tripod's so difficult to use. And then I give the ABS sensor the best chance to, or Tash, give the ABS sensor the best chance to work. What do you reckon? Rebuild the rear today, that side? I think we can do it. Come on. Alright, it's all built back up. Done back up at the back. Nicely free spinning wheel bearing. And it's just an old versus new. Old versus new. For reference, these discs are the same as the front. They're EBC grooved and dimpled discs. I can't remember what's like 280mm rears, I think. R32s, can't remember. Vented. And I've got EBC. No, I haven't. What pads have I got? I think I've got Brembos for the rear, and I think I've got EBC yellow stuff. Sorry, Brembos for the front, EBC yellow stuff for the rear. Not ideal, but they came with the car, so whatever. So now I'm gonna. I need to buy new rear anti-roll bars, drop links. So I'm gonna grind the nut off the back of there, free that up, so when I come to once they've been delivered, the drop links, I can just chuck them in. Oh, I bit my cookie there. So I can chuck all this back together tonight, put the new spring in the red box, put the shock in, can't remember which side it is. I'll be good to go. We'll have one corner 95% complete. And then that's the bulk of it on this. That's good to go back in. That's going to go back in. We've got to remove all three of these are spinning. So we've got to remove all three of those. We've got to nick a wing off the grey one outside, just temporarily until it goes for paint. And then either put this bonnet back on with a rusty patch about here, or nick the bonnet off that, put that on. And then do the same on the rear here. And do all that. This one definitely needs changing. Look at the spring. And then give the inside a bloody good clean. I'm gonna get the whole thing detailed, I think. I also need to charge the battery. And maybe change the aircon condenser. Actually, I'll tell you what. BRB. Let's see if I need to change the condenser. Do not do this. This is pretty naughty. I do not need to change the condenser, it's still holding pressure. And there's still gas in there. Oh, bloody diesel engine. I'll just give it a lick of paint temporarily. And then before I figure out what I want to do with this thing, I don't know if I want to keep it or sell it yet. I really want a B7 RS4. Anyway, I'll get this in. I'll get the anti-robber off. Shut up, Josh. See you in a sec. She's all built back up. Got some GoPro footage. I had no idea, or I have no idea how well that's come out, but we'll see, I suppose, when I edit the video. Brand new caliper. Look. So I've got the damper in, all tight. The eye back lowering springs in. EBC disc. Brand new caliper. Red stuff, not yellow stuff pads. My bad. And this little beauty here, get a pointer. This little pipe doesn't come with a new caliper. You have to buy them. That's a genuine Volkswagen one on there as well. Where's the old caliper? That's up here. I tried removing this one, but what happens is this little this bit here sticks to the pipe, or the hose, if you like, the rigid hose, and it'll snap. It sort of, I think it welds itself on the inside, almost, not welds itself, but you know what I mean, sticks on the inside. But this is a caliper off the EOS, and I thought, let me try removing that one, with it being a brand new caliper, came off nice and easy. Let me try it on the R32. And guess what? It only went and bloody worked. So this rear corner is all done, minus the anti-roll bar link. That's all I need to do. I've just got to get a bolt in there, do it up, and put it on the anti-roll bar, which is behind. Tighten the handbrake up, lead the brakes. Job done. Job's a fish. Put the wheel on. So Luke, if you watch this, this is a reminder that the R32 is catching up the wheel. I'm going to come up here either Sunday or Monday and do the other side. But what I will do is I'll do the putting back together of the front. So in the next one, you can expect to see this one apart and then this one being rebuilt. And then that's all of the... that gubbin's done. I need to work out what I need to order, so I'll do that very quickly. How good does that look? Bit of progress. I think to get this thing back on the road, I only need two things: rear anti-roll bar drop links and a service kit. And then it's just tidying up after that. I think it'll be drivable. It can't be, because a little while ago I needed loads of stuff. But then I've got ball joints, wheel bearings, good wheel bearings there and there, shocks, the front anti-roll bar drop links. This one was alright when it came off. So, drive shafts. I need drive shafts. So I'll order that tonight. I'm going to order that stuff tonight. I'll put in an order with a friend of mine that works at TPS for the service kit. And I'll order the drop links and the offside and near side front drive shafts. And then we're going to get it back together, I think. Then we could just spend some time on the driveway at home giving us some loving. That's it. We'll end it there. It's been a good day today. I'm relieved we've made some progress on the bloody thing. It's been far too long. This channel started on the R32. I've done more on the Transporter and the EOS and smashing windows in the L200 like a dickhead. I apologise for that. I don't know what I was doing. But anyway, there's another little thing. I don't know if I've shown anybody this yet. Res delete. I'll be going on. I get some VR6 noises out of there. Oh, I'm excited. Right, see you next time. Thank you again for watching, and look forward to the next one. Safe.